Hello, Samantha here from Consignment Chats. I'm going to show you how to customize that new Express lister in ListPerfectly on the Pro Plus plan. So over on your left-hand side of your catalog, or really anywhere that you are in ListPerfectly, you're going to see this menu on the left and you're going to click Express Lister. This is going to automatically bring you into a listings where you can upload your photos and it'll make your title and your description for you from AI. And it'll make other things for you as well. So a few days ago, this only had title and SKU. Like that was it. Now you can customize it. And as you see, I have my description in there, a short description. I have keywords. There are other things here on the left-hand side that you can do: color, material, size, brand, your UPC. All you have to do is click them and it will automatically be added to the top. And then you click these these 6 little dots and you can move them around in here. And you can do the exact same thing on this side where you can add what you want and then do these little dots on the right and move it to where you want, and it will update as to where you put it, just like that. You're going to save and close on the top right. And now if I go to add an item, let me go to my photos here. I am going to add some photos of this shirt. And it goes off the first 6 things that you put into the tags or into the photos. So make sure that you have tags, you have measurements, things like that, because it is smart. It is going to Google Lens those things or AI it or whatever the heck it does. And it is going to come up with a great title for you. I move them around however I see fit, so it has a good first photo. And when they're done loading, you click this orange listing assistant button. Put what kind of tone that you would like it to use. I like it to use the professional tone. Launch the assistant. And now those items that I customized and put in there, it's going to fill them in. It's going to fill them in. You can do this. I'm doing it on a desktop. You can do it on mobile, exact same way. You can't customize on a mobile, but I do have a video on how you can list from your mobile. And there you go. It filled that in. It gave me a basic title, gave me a basic description. Sometimes I've done this shirt 3 times today for 3 different videos. Every time it gave me 28 inches for the length. This time it gave me 38. But you know what? Look at my 2 there. No wonder it did. You set your price here. You can make a SKU. It automatically put colors in and it added 2 so that it is good. You can put your main color for eBay and other platforms, and you got your 2 colors for Poshmark. It's got your tags and it automatically makes it as a draft. All you have to do is go to new listing up here in the corner or my listings. You can go new listing, make another one, or my listings, and you will see it in the drafts along with the other ones that I have done today. And you can go in and edit it and cross list from there. Play around with it, customize it to your heart's content, and make sure that it is working for you with ListPerfectly, because this is an amazing feature that you have got to try. Have a good day.